So in this video, you'll learn how to install Microsoft Outlook on your Samsung Galaxy A36, A56, or A26. So the first step is to choose where you're installing it from. So you can choose to install it from the Galaxy Store or from the Google Play Store. Then once you've selected where you're going to be installing, just tap on the app to launch it. And then use the search function. And what you want to do is simply type in Microsoft Outlook. And then once you've typed it in, you want to select search and then wait for it to appear in the list of search results. Once it's appeared, select it and then tap on install and simply wait for the app to be downloaded onto your phone. Once the app has been installed, you want to tap on Open to launch it, and then simply go through the process of setting up Outlook on your device, and you can start using it on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.